Hey, Eric Sider here. I know it's been a while since the last video. Apologies for that. And hope the noise level's not bad. I got train tracks, road noise, wind noise, so hopefully it'll be alright. Anyway, exciting new project going on out here in Northern California in Sacramento. Staying with family. We got a long-term project converting this suburban yard into hopefully a food oasis, and that's what I'm gonna be focusing on the next while on these videos. So hope you enjoy that and hope you find some useful content. All right, this is just a rough cut video to get this up and let you guys know what I'm up to. So we'll do a little quick tour. Things are pretty rough at the moment. There are some interesting features, so enjoy. Alrighty, we will start with the eastern side. So pretty exciting. Most of the backyard faces south. So this is where we got the east. It's around mid-morning, so most of this is getting pretty good sun, except maybe that way back corner. We got some existing garden beds there. Let's go check out what's happening in the soil. It's not the greatest. It's pretty dry, as is most things out here, dry and dusty, but we got some amendments hopefully to get that going. They're a little narrow. It's about 3 feet by, I'm going to say 8 to 10 feet maybe. So this is definitely one of the areas I'll be redesigning, and we're going to do a full permaculture consultation and design, so that'll be interesting. We got some lemongrass here and some onions. This was used for tomatoes, hence the zigzag trellis option here. And then we just gave this palm tree a haircut, so we got a nice pile of carbon there. And this is kind of a lazy man's compost corner, which my partner Arlene, her uncle, is actually the one who's been doing the mulching, so that's pretty cool. Let's see our nice, pretty looking palm tree after a haircut. Let's see, we got some ornamentals up against the wall. They're gonna stay because they got sentimental value, so that's all right. But you can definitely see this is the major growing area that we can take over. Right now it's just got grass when it rains and dusty dirt for most of the summer. We've got a nice little outdoor shaded area, so we're gonna add some fun stuff to that. Another couple trees blocking that horrible western sun. So this is what we got to plant in the next day or so. Actually, supposedly going to get some rain in the next day, so that's exciting. These were started by Arlene's mom about a month ago, so they're definitely needing to get out of these trays. But this is just to get something started since we're arriving here. Got here about a week ago, so a little late for the major planting season. This is going to be a pond eventually. So we got some lily pads, some azolla, a couple other plants in there. We'll seed our pond. Ozzy's enjoying his space and trips to the river. So now we got a cool little orchard happening, some citrus trees, apple tree. Forget what this one is. I gotta get that one. Got a big old shed, which ideally I would love to move and add more fruit trees in, but I don't know how realistic that is, so that'll just be part of the design for now. And then we got this kind of no man's land. There used to be a dog here years ago. We just got this big tree, and which is what it's doing now, is blocking a lot of this house from the western sun, which is really pretty harsh and strong, so no plans to take that down anytime soon. What I wanted to do was an above ground natural swimming pool, but considering California's still in a bad or not worse drought, that's gonna have to wait. See if we can get enough rainwater in the fall to winter to fill one of those up. So here we got some citrus. And this is the star performer here, the calamansi. This is an amazing little citrus from the Philippines area. You can, when it's pretty sour, until it can get really nice and sweet, and you can eat the whole thing like a kumquat. And right now the orange blossoms are making some really nice aromatics. So you can see we got plenty of room to fill in here. And a word on all these rocks. This is kind of a, decent enough solution for this climate where it's really dry and you want to suppress weeds and you want to not cause soil erosion. But man, this whole yard is pretty much covered in rocks, so I'm going to come up with an interesting solution for those. We're definitely going to be converting this to mulch or living succulent ground cover. Let's see how that goes. And that's pretty much it. I'd love to do a lot more retrofitting with the house, but there's only so much you can do that makes sense cost-wise. One of the easiest things we can do that should help is actually pump the laundry white water out to some feature out here, and I'm not sure yet, but as far as the sinks, bathrooms, that's pretty difficult to route that water out here, so that's unfortunate, but we'll see what we can do. And that's pretty much it. So I'm excited, got a lot of stuff to do, and hopefully you'll be interested and want to come along for the journey. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that tour. I know it was rough, but just to let you know what we're up to and what we got in store for the future. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.